We'll guide you through how to remove the background from a video in After Effects. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
We can start by dragging the video from the project window directly onto the timeline. Double-click the video in the timeline to open it up in the different preview window. Go up to the toolbar and click this icon, Roto Brush Tool. Your cursor should turn into a green circle with a plus sign. If it doesn't, try adjusting the brush size by holding Control and then clicking and dragging your mouse left and right. Paint over the subject you want to keep, and After Effects will automatically create a selection with a purple outline. You can zoom in if needed and keep painting over the areas you want to include. And if it's selected the area you don't want to keep, you can remove that part by holding Alt and your brush will turn red and paint over the area to remove. Keep tweaking until the subject is fully selected. After that's done, you can press spacebar to let After Effects track and apply the roto brush to the timeline. If the selection messed up at any point, pause the preview, fix the frame, and then continue. Once you're happy with it, click freeze to lock the selection. It will take a couple of seconds, and after that's done, you can go back to your main composition and the background from your video is now completely removed.